if you're new here, hey girlies! So it has been 3 whole long months since I shaved my head. So I'm here to show you guys my 3-month hair growth. I told you guys I was going to document this whole process. I've been taking pictures. I was originally taking pictures every single day of my hair, but now it's like it's not growing or making that much of a difference. Like it looks the same. Like one week it'll look this way and then next week it might look a little different. So I haven't been taking photos every day anymore, but I take them every like 3 days now. And in a year from now, I'm going to make a like slideshow, I guess, or just like showing all the photos so we can see like how like my hair grew. I just feel like it looked cool because I watched videos on YouTube of people that have done like age progression or hair growth in a year, hair growth in 3 years. So that's what I'm doing for y'all. So next year, February 2019, stay tuned for that video. But, ooh, that's what we're not gonna do. I'm here to show you guys my hair and talk about it a little bit. I'm gonna share something with you guys that, I don't know, can other people relate to it? This was also one of the reasons why I cut my hair and shaved it. And I don't know, I didn't want to talk about it or say it in any previous videos because I felt like people were going to think I was being dramatic, or they're going to be like, oh, you're trying to make people feel bad because they wear weave or anything. Like, I'm not trying to do that, and that's why I haven't talked about it, but I'm going to in today's video because fuck it. So like I said, it has been 3 months. It is May 2nd and I shaved my head on February 2nd, I believe. And here is the growth. Let me do a little spin around. My lazy ass went and got a chair. I was filming this originally standing up, but I got so lazy I had to go get a chair. Anyway, I've been awake for about an hour and a half, so why am I tired? I don't know. So this is what the back of my head looks like. I have tail feathers. This is the reason why I have been wearing wigs for like the past week and why I'm also gonna put a wig on after this. These little tail feathers, like whenever I like gel my hair down and do everything, they just like stick out and it's just like so awkward. So I've just been wearing wigs until this like grows out a little bit more. A lot of people have also been telling me, including my brother, to get a lineup. No! Don't want to get a lineup. So many people keep telling me like, you should get a lineup in the back or you should, no. The whole purpose of doing this hair growth journey is not to cut my hair. Like, why am I going to go and get my hair cut if I want to see what's gonna happen in a year, you know? So we're doing no shave 2018. I'm not getting a lineup. I'm not getting anything changed. I'm just gonna leave it alone because I want to see like how my hair grows without anything touching it. That's why I shaved it to the scalp for a reason. So if you are new to my channel or you have no idea who I am, or you just came across this video and you wanted to see what I was talking about and you don't know why I shaved my hair originally, so basically since I was around like 16 years old, I have always been like dyeing my hair crazy colors. Of course I dyed it before 16 years old, but around 16 is when it started getting dyed red, like deep red. I was in Sally's getting like the developer and mixing stuff, and I wasn't using box color. I was doing crazy colors, using splat, using what is that freaking hair thing called? Manic Panic. I was using so many things, and Manic Panic is not that bad for your hair, but when you use it consistently, like you're dyeing your hair once a week, like it is damaging, and that's what I was doing. I was constantly doing things to my hair, then bleaching it, then having dyed back black, and then getting sew-ins, and then braids, and then this, and everything that I was doing to my hair was just damaging it and making it really thin, and my hair would not grow past my collarbones. It literally got stuck. So it was just not cute. And the final straw was I got micro loop extensions done last year, 2017. I think it was like October or November. I think I got them done in November. Got my hair done. She did an amazing job, like an amazing job. I felt comfortable. I didn't feel like anything was like too tight, but then it came to the next appointment. I need to get my extensions redone. And I went to a place in Scottsdale here in Arizona because Scottsdale is supposed to be, you know, the area that they do your nails bomb there. Like here where I live around a bunch of old ass people. So like they'll do a shitty job on your acrylics and expect you to not say anything because the rest of their customers have vision problems. No bitch, I can see. So people here in my area don't know how to cut hair good. They don't know how to do nails decently. Like everything is just shit here. I drive an hour away to Scottsdale so I can, you know, have my hair treated well, and what happens, they completely fucked up my extensions so bad, and I was so scared to say something. Like I don't even know why. Like I really genuinely don't know why I didn't say anything, because now today, like I literally got in a fight with my nail guy like 2 weeks ago because he didn't do them right. Like I'm now at the point of, if I pay for a service, I'm gonna open my fucking mouth. And if you did a shitty job, I'm gonna tell you, what the fuck did you just do? Like, I'm not gonna scream at you because maybe you made a mistake or maybe you're not that good. but I am not going to spend $400 for you to redo my extensions and leave me looking like a mess. But that's what I did. For some reason, I was being a punk ass bitch that day and I didn't say anything. So because I didn't say anything, I went on to wear these extensions, and what happened, because they messed them up, they were just supposed to, you know, lift them up, whatever, put them back in the same place, but instead they put them all over my head, and they cut the wefts, and they were doing all the stuff to it to where it was stabbing my scalp now. It wasn't even comfortable anymore, which led to the extensions, like, no. I would get a brush my hair ever so gently, because I know my hair is thin now. I don't have the hair I used to at 15, so we're gonna go ahead and be gentle. I'm being gentle, and as I go, I'm like, okay, the hair's not this long. Why am I still pulling? And I keep pulling, and I'm like, oh, 3 strands just fell out, but not just 3 strands, but also the follicle of my hair. I'm looking in the mirror like, what the fuck? And there's literally like a big mark of just baldness. Like extensions ripped out completely, done, canceled. So these women that claimed that they were, like, this salon, you guys, is supposed to be like top notch, and they managed to fuck my hair up. Like, so because of that, I had to like hairspray my hair a certain way. I couldn't wear it the way I wanted to anymore, because if it moved a little way like this or like this, then everyone can see the beads and they can see the bald spots. And I knew, like, Vanessa, you used to have thick hair, like this is not okay, let's just shave it off. And another reason why I also wanted to shave my head is because it kind of made me insecure at the end of the day, because I know this is gonna like make some people roll their eyes, but like I was kind of embarrassed. Like I don't mind wearing wigs, but I was kind of embarrassed whenever like I couldn't go in the pool, or I couldn't go to the beach, or if it was too windy outside, I had to wear a hat and I had to wear a beanie and my head would be sweating, and like it was embarrassing. Also, like if I wanted to be intimate, like you can't pull my hair, you can't touch it a certain way because you're going to rip it out. It just got embarrassing, and it got to the point of getting annoying. Like it made me insecure. Like some days I would have to like I would want to have my hair look a certain way, because like, you know, a certain outfit looks good with a certain hair look, and I couldn't do it because if I did, you could see that I had no edges, you could see that I had bald spots everywhere, and I couldn't wear ponytails because I had sew-ins, and it was just wasn't a good time for me, and it made me insecure. And I was insecure about my hair since I was, you know, around 15 years old, because it has never been the way that I wanted it to be, because I was always damaging it, trying to make it like something else. So I just completely decided to start over, and here we are now. Wow, I just explained that for like 10 minutes. Like that was unnecessary. I don't know, I was just really insecure about my hair, and I was insecure that, because I'm a touchy person and I like get back, I guess. So the fact that like you can't scratch my head, you can't touch my hair, you can't touch my neck because you might hit one of my braids, or like I was just so like, don't touch me. Like don't touch me, like I want you to, but like don't touch me, because like I'm scared you're gonna or pull my hair on accident and it's gonna rip, or like a mess. But that is why I shaved my head. And here's the growth. So as like what shows me that it's really growing and getting thicker is like, look you guys, like it actually has a part. Like before I could like recreate a little part, but now it's like naturally parting there. Like that's where I was talking about in my wig video, like how I put my wigs on video. My hair naturally parts like right there. So like the fact that it's a deep part now just shows that like, wow, the hair's starting to, you know, get kind of thick right there. These tail feathers are super freaking annoying, but I'm just gonna leave them alone and let them grow. This one manages to like tuck itself in, but this one over here just likes to like, woo. Products I've been using in my hair are the regular schmegular usual ones that I've been using. I stopped using the castor oil or the Jamaican black castor oil because I don't know what happened to my nose, but I cannot smell that stuff. Maybe because I was using it every day or every other night. Like maybe my nose was just like, I'm sick of this, like you're like, stop. I just could not stand the smell. Like my nose is like clogging itself right now just thinking of it, like don't smell it. I stopped using that and I continued to only use my Camille Rose Naturals Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. I got this from Target for under $20. The castor oil is only a couple dollars, so this was a little more expensive, but this one smells so good. You guys, like it smells delicious. Like I would eat myself. Like it smells so good. So at nighttime I put this on and then I go in with any sort of brush or I massage my head just to make sure that I really got it in there. And then every time I get out of the shower, like just, you know, a couple minutes ago, I spray the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. I just put this throughout my entire head, brush it through a little bit, and I leave it alone. I don't blow dry my hair. And if I do blow dry it, I use the cool setting, so my hair is heat-free right now. But those are the only two products that I really use on my hair. Sometimes I use the Enjoy conditioning spray, but I only use this if my hair feels extremely dry, because this stuff is super moisturizing. It's for people who have like tangly, dehydrated, fucked up hair. So I only use this if I feel like my hair is like kind of dry, which it does feel a little dry right now, so I might put some on before I put my wig on. But yeah, that's all I really have been using in my hair. I don't take any hair supplements. I don't use anything, honestly, just that. Yeah, like, I don't know, I'm just like super excited to see where I'm gonna be, you know, at 6 months, because at 3 months I was able to grow, you know, a good 2 inches of hair on the top, and then on the bottom I grew, or like right here I grew about 1 inch of hair. So I'm excited to see how long my hair will be at 6 months. Like I said, I've been wearing wigs almost every single day now, just because I don't like these tail feathers that I have going on in the back. I can make a mohawk now, giving you punk rock vibes / car salesman at a Nissan dealership. Thank you for joining me on this journey, because honestly it has been so empowering. Like ever since I shaved my head, I don't know what switched up in my head, but now I'll just go out in public, just leave my hair like this, leave it alone, no makeup, bummy outfit, and I would not have been able to do that. Like, I would not have had the strength to do that, and I know it seems like it's not that hard to do. Like, people are going through so much worse, and Vanessa, you're here worrying about your appearance. Well, that's the reality of my life. I'm not those other people. I'm not living their life. I'm not going through what they're going through. This is my issue. So it was a lot for me to even go out in public and have my hair in a weird bun. So even when I had hair, I was insecure about the way my hair looked. So like, I don't know, it's so strange to me that now I don't care and I'm so carefree and I'm just like happy with myself, I guess, ish, kind of. I don't know. And if you're one of those people that's emailing me photos every month, like, shout the fuck out to you. You're amazing, because there have been a couple of people that have DM'd me on Instagram or emailed me personally and are like, hey sis, this is my hair and I may have shaved it off because of you. The fact that a couple of you guys have actually shaved your head and you guys are sending me photos, and if you haven't sent me photos and you did shave your head, feel free to send me some, because like, I'm nosy, duh. And you know, like, you're on the journey with me, so I want to be on the journey with you and support you, because yeah, there are some days where I'm just, I wake up and I look in the mirror and I'm like, I look like a plumber. But I mean, it's okay. I just can't wait until I'm like Ruby Rose vibes, where it's like grown out a little bit more. So I think like in a couple months I'll be giving you Ruby Rose. So like I said, make sure you're keeping up with my last couple of videos, and I can't wait for this summer because I have some super stupid stuff. Like this year, I'm just gonna be stupid. Like this summer, I'm just gonna post whatever I want, whenever I want, and it's gonna be crazy content. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you do, because you don't wanna miss out on all this mess. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys all in my next video, and thanks for being supportive. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing, because I don't really have friends in real life. I have like 1 or 2, and that's it. So thanks for being my friends online, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.